How to change language on Crunchyroll tutorial. If you wish to change the language in Crunchyroll, you can do so from the app or from your browser. If you're using on the website from crunchyroll.com, log into the account where you wish to change the language. Tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and from there you can simply see an option called settings. So once you come to settings, you can see preferences. So there are three types of language: display language, which is of the app or the interface; the audio language, depending upon the content that you're watching; and the subtitle language. So you can choose to change the language for each of these, and these will be automatically selected by default next time whenever you go ahead and then play or stream something on Crunchyroll. This way you will be able to change the language on Crunchyroll. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.